Hey guys, it's Matt with Ace That Q, and today we're going to be making some smoked mac and cheese using Masterbuilt's gravity-fed charcoal grill. Check the description below for the recipe and all the items used on today's cook. Let's go Ace That Q. We're going to add 1 pound of VELVETTA cheese to a pan, 1 pound of your favorite pasta, 4 cups of milk, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 8 ounces of mild shredded cheddar cheese, 8 ounces of pepper jack cheese, and today we're using 5280 Culinary's Rub-A-Dub seasoning. Now let's go put it on the Masterbuilt at 350 degrees for 45 minutes.